watching Live Wire and I'm Swati Joshi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has exposed India's enemies within while addressing a rally in Gandhinagar, which was part of Sindoor Samman Yatra. Not only did he call out Pakistan and remind them that Goli ka jawab gole se milega, he also took a dig at the opposition which continues to undermine Operation Sindoor. The Prime Minister said that the airstrikes on Pakistan's terror hubs were recorded on camera so that no one in India could question the attack. Listen in.
जब आतंकवाद के 9 ठिकाने तय करके 22 मिनट में साथियों 22 मिनट में उनको ध्वस्त कर दिया और इस बार तो सब कैमरा के सामने की सारी व्यवस्था रखी थी ताकि हमारे घर में कोई सबूत न मांगे अब हमें सबूत नहीं देना पड़ रहा है, वो ऊपर वाला दे रहा है.
Prime Minister Modi's message resonated within the country, but still some within the opposition continue to belittle Operation Sindoor for their own political gains. Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut is the biggest culprit of this. He termed Operation Sindoor a failure. Congress's Pawan Kheda too made a controversial remark in his attempt to target Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
26 हमारी माता भूमि का सिंदूर उजाड़ दिया आतंकवादियों ने, उसके लिए जिम्मेदार देश के गृह मंत्री अमित शाह है और उसका प्रायश्चित लेने के लिए अमित शाह जी ने अपने पद से इस्तीफा देना चाहिए. ये मैं बार बार कहता हूं. नहीं तो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कर्तव्य पालन में चूक हो गई, इसके लिए अमित शाह का इस्तीफा लेना चाहिए, उनको मंत्रिमंडल से बर्खास्त करना चाहिए. और ये अमित शाह कल आकर हमको ज्ञान दे रहा है मुंबई में. आप जिम्मेदार हो. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने ये सिंदूर तो उजाड़ दिया हमारे महिलाओं का. कहाँ है वो आतंकवादी? क्या आपने गुजरात में छुपाया है? क्या दाहोद में छुपाया है? कल मोदी जी दाहोद में थे ना. जिस दाहोद में औरंगजेब का जन्म हुआ है गुजरात में, वहां से कल बड़ी बड़ी गर्जना कर रहे थे ये लोग. लेकिन जिम्मेदार आप है. आपकी वजह से ये हमारे महिलाओं का, माताओं का, बहनों का सिंदूर उजाड़ दिया, तो आप प्रायश्चित लेकर इस्तीफा दीजिए.
वो क्या कर रहे थे उसका तो जिक्र करना भी मुझे लगता है एक इस गंभीर विषय पर उनका जिक्र करना मुझे लगता है बहुत मजाकिया हो जाएगा, और ये मजाकिया विषय है नहीं. जिस तरह से वो कभी प्रेम चोपड़ा की तरह, कभी परेश रावल की तरह डायलॉग्स दे रहे हैं, साहब जा जाकर ये सिंदूर है, इसमें रगों में मांग क्या है, खून है, गर्म है, ठंडा है, और गोली खाओ, रोटी खाओ. ये प्रधानमंत्री. आज तक हमें जवाब नहीं मिला कि पहलगाम में अप्रैल 2025 में जो किया, उन आतंकियों का क्या हुआ, वो कहां है. आज तक जवाब नहीं मिला कि सीजफायर किन शर्तों पर हुआ. आज तक जवाब नहीं मिला हाफिज सईद, अजहर मसूद बच के कैसे निकल गए.
We have Niyamika and Mohit joining us on the broadcast with more details. Let's first go across to Niyamika. Once again, Niyamika, opposition pointing fingers and questioning Operation Sindoor as well, not just opposing the government. This time around, Sanjay Raut has said that this is a total failure. Pawan Kheda, on the other hand, taking jibes at the address that has been made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Well, yes, and that is the only reason why today Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken a sharp jibe at the opposition parties, as he had stated that this time whatever has been done, it is there in the public domain itself, as we had made all the preparations so that no one can question anything about the saboot of this Operation Sindoor, as that is a very sharp jibe which Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken over the opposition parties, because we have seen in the past as well that how various opposition leaders have continuously raising questions upon Operation Sindoor, as this time the recent statement is being given by Mr. Sanjay Raut, as he had called Operation Sindoor a complete failure. While on the other side, if we talk about Congress party in particular, then Congress is saying that we are not against the armed forces. We are very proud of their valor which they have shown during Operation Sindoor, but it is the responsibility of being an opposition party to raise the questions from the top leadership of this country, to raise the questions from the political leadership of this country, and that is the only reason why today itself the Congress party held a press conference which was addressed by Pawan Kheda, and he had stated that whatever has been said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that is merely a dialogue, as he has raised a question that where are the terrorists who were involved in Pahalgam terror attack, as why no action has been taken against those.
Absolutely.
Also, he had once again raised a question from External Affairs Minister, as he had stated that he should also give a reply.
Right. So on one
that
hand, the
why
Prime Minister is citing the sabut, and he also said, "Kal ke din koi sabut na mang le ghar mein." That's the reason why we have it all recorded, the sabut of the precision strikes, but the doubt continues. Stay on with us, Niyamika. Before I go across to Mohit, let's also listen into the reactions coming in from the BJP, which has slammed the opposition, especially Sanjay Raut, for demoralizing our forces by questioning Operation Sindoor and ignoring all the evidence that have been presented.
हमारे देश के जो सैन्य है, जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान में घुसकर जितने भी आतंकी के उनके डेरे थे सबको वहां पे खत्म किया, आज तक किसी ने पाकिस्तान में इस तरह की कार्रवाई की नहीं थी। पाकिस्तान एक पूरे दुनिया को पता है कि पाकिस्तान एक सब टेररिस्ट का एक हब है, और उस हब के ऊपर हमला करने की हिम्मत आज तक किसी ने की नहीं थी, वो भारत ने दिखाई। मेरे ख्याल से ऐसे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के ऊपर उंगलियां उठाना, हमारे देश की बदनामी आप पूरे दुनिया में कर रहे हो। मेरे ख्याल से अगर आप सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाते तो एटलीस्ट आपने चुप तो बैठना चाहिए। इसको इंग्लिश में एक वर्ड है रॉटन ब्रेन, मतलब सड़ा हुआ दिमाग, मैं यही कहूंगा, और इससे ज्यादा और कुछ नहीं कहूंगा।
For everyone, the whole world is there to see what we did. There are multiple satellite images available to all the countries in the world. Forget about everything. The New York Times, the favorite newspaper of our opposition, New York Times and Washington Post, the favorite newspaper of Rahul Gandhi, they also reported what we did. We did not prove anything. We stamped that we decimated Pakistan.
Mohit is with us on the broadcast. Mohit, first, the Prime Minister, of course, has heralded the opposition when he said कि इस बार तो हमने सबूत भी रखा है, and the opposition continues to point fingers. Many, in fact, also calling the address of Prime Minister hollow and just filmy.
Well, yes, in fact, Swati, we know for a fact that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday and today has hit out at Pakistan in a detailed speech where Pakistan Prime Minister Narendra Modi have clearly stated that Pakistan should mend its ways, otherwise हमारी गोली भी तैयार है. So clearly the message is loud and clear from Prime Minister that Operation Sindoor was a massive success. We have hit out at the terror hubs of Pakistan, but then we still see, and the irony, Swati, over here is that on one hand an all-party delegation which has member of parliaments from various parties is visiting various countries, and they're exposing Pakistan on global stage. Their speeches are going viral, like you can see the speech of Asaduddin Owaisi, who has clearly hit out at Pakistan and it fakely and called them bunch of jokers. That speech is getting viral on social media. On one hand, we have leaders, MPs who are going to various countries exposing Pakistan's fakery and telling the world about that how the terrorism has impacted India, the Pakistani sponsored terrorism has impacted India, and how India has hit back at Pakistan through Operation Sindoor. While on the other hand, unfortunately, the various statements, shocking statements are being made just for the sake of domestic politics, because we have seen what Sanjay Raut has said, and he has come out and said that Operation Sindoor was a failure. Now, who is Sanjay Raut to give his remarks on whether Operation Sindoor was a success or not? The army has said that, our armed forces have said that Operation Sindoor was a massive, massive success. Terror launch pads were eliminated, various terrorists were eliminated. It's for the whole world to see that how Hafiz Saeed has come out with a statement that his family members died. We have seen that how Pakistani army generals, their leaders
the kind of tribute they paid to terrorists, wrapped their dead bodies in Pakistani flags. Thank you very much, Mohit and Niyamika, for getting us the details.